Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, Wassalatu Wassalamu ala Rasulullah Sallallahu. As I have started sharing with you few of the qualities we learn as a Dai from the life of the Prophet Sallallahu, last episode I have discussed with you the quality we find as a Dai in the life of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu: clarity, certainty, conviction and commitment to the mission. Today I am going to talk the next quality we learn that we want to reflect upon is credibility. My brothers and my sisters, this is the most important quality for a Dai, that his personality, his being, he himself as a Dai should be a credible person. Whatever he is preaching, people should have full faith that this is the person that they can trust, they can rely, they can count on. My brothers and my sisters, there is a book written in English, Muhammad, Man and Prophet by Adil Salahi. In that book he has written a very unique thing. He said these Mushrikeen tribe leaders of Makkah, they were coming to Prophet ﷺ and offering him different offers, individually, Utbah bin Rabia, or as a group, going directly to him or going through his uncle Abu Talib. What was their plan? What was what they had, in back of their mind? What was their game plan when they were reaching out to Prophet Muhammad ﷺ with all these offers, that if you need power, if you need women, if you need wealth, if you need treatment? They wanted to know what price he has, at what price they can buy him out. They wanted to find the weakness of the leader. So once they can find the weakness, so they can exploit on that weakness. They wanted to find a room to enter in the credibility, the honor, the muqam of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, so they can exploit it further and make his whole personality go down in the eyes of the people that he is presenting this deen. But Prophet ﷺ knew that what I am preaching, there is no compromise, there is no price for it, there is nobody can buy it out. So that's why he was firm, certain and committed to this. The credibility brings la takhaf. If the person is truthful, is on haqq, and he knows and believes on it from inside of him, this brings only one fear of the Creator Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and it releases him, it frees him from all other fear of the world. So he becomes fear-free personality. My brothers and my sisters, now for credibility, the most important witness is from the people who are most closest to you. Your wife, Hazrat Khadija Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha, his servant, Ghulam, Zayd bin Haris Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu, his closest friend of early childhood, who knew in and out of the personality of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu from very early age, Abu Bakr Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. These are the people, they stood firm with him to support him, that he is the man of dignity, credibility, that you can trust. My brothers and my sisters, we also have to check ourselves, that is my wife will be willing to witness for me, my own kids will witness for me, my neighbor will witness for me, my fellow co-workers will witness for me. My brothers, and we all know the story of Imam Bukhari, when he was going on one journey and in a ship he showed to one thief that he has 1,000 gold dinar, and this thief planned that how he can get hold of these dinars, because he knew the whole description of these dinars, and he goes to captain of the ship that I have lost my 1,000 dinar, and the captain of the ship decides that they will go in the luggage of every person to find out who has stolen. Imam Bukhari knew that he can prove that this is his dinar, this belongs to him, but he goes and drops those dinar in water. And they searched everybody's bag and they were not able to find those dinars. And after everything was over, this thief comes to Imam Bukhari and says, what happened to those dinars that you had? What you did? He said, I threw them in the water. And this thief said, how come? Why you threw? He said, because I knew that I can prove that these are my dinars, but I do not wanted people to have not even a single doubt about my credibility. Because the work I am doing, I am transmitting, I am narrating the ahadith of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. I am collecting the ahadith of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. This 1,000 dinar is nothing as compared to the mission I have. My mission needs more credibility. There should be no doubt about the person who is preaching this dawah. My brothers and my sisters, that's why it is said, 1,000 speeches cannot motivate and change one person, but one person whose words and actions go together, the man of action, the man of word, the man who practically demonstrates what he says. My brothers, one person can change 1,000 people. If I will be sincere in my dawah, if I will be sincere with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, if my inside will be more beautiful than my outside, if I will have that credibility, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is going to give power in my tongue, in my words. They will be able to penetrate the hearts of the people. Even if I will speak broken English, broken Urdu, even if I am not able to give fiery speeches, I am not able to write fancy articles, but my sincerity will make sure that everybody can understand the message. परवाना एक पतंगा, जुगनू भी एक पतंगा, वो रोशनी का तालिब, ये रोशनी सरापा. According to Iqbal, this Mu'min is like a light bird. So heat of the light bird, the light of the light bird will enlighten wherever the Mu'min will go, wherever he will sit, because of the sincerity. He has the credibility, he has, and not only your friends, but even your enemies will witness for you. And this is what happened in the life of the Prophet ﷺ. Even Abu Jahl said, I am not saying that Muhammad is a liar. No, I am against the message he is giving. Abu Sufyan, when standing in the castle of Caesar Rome, and he wanted to fabricate few things about Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, but he says, I was afraid even my own companions will stood and will negate what I will say. Even the enemies were not able to say a single word about the character of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. That credibility we need, my brothers and my sisters, today to propagate the word of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Lima taquluna ma la taf'alun. We should not be the people what we say we do not practice. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect all of us. We can do our best to deliver this message of Quran, the message from the life of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Wa akhiru dawana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.